Hey, little boss, I think I flew my drone in your backyard. I was wondering if you could grab it for me.
It's not in my backyard. It's in my wife's room!
I thought it flew out in the back. I seen it fly over my house.
You thought wrong! Get out!
Welcome to Watch Mojo, and today we're showing you how to rob a house, step by step.
Got him! I thought this was my buddy's house. That's my bad. Some more probation. Tell Jessie to get out here. She ain't answering my calls in 2 hours. Don't worry about nothing, little man. I only played linebacker in high school. Getting tired of waiting. Answer the phone, baby.
What you playing?
Playing Call of Duty. I can't get out of here. My teammates don't know how to rotate, and if I tell you to rotate, then it's simple as just to rotate. Yeah, I think they're trying to kick me off because I'm messing them up. Stop being in the spawn! I actually think my brother ordered this. Told him to stop ordering. I told him to stop ordering shit when I'm trying to play my video game. How hard is it to get that, John? Rotate to the next point.
Yeah, I thought that you were trying to focus on yourself, then why's my friend's car in your driveway? I quit paying him for gym lessons 2 months ago. If you don't want to be with me, then just say that. I mean, do I not get something? Am I confused? Make it obvious. When I find you, Jacob. I'm just grabbing a charger out of my car. I'll be back in a minute. Oh my God. Not in there. I'm at to borrow one of yours. Yeah, I got a delivery. Seymour Butts, you home? You think I'm dumb? You trying to make fun of what I do for a living? Hey Seymour, your bread's in the yard. Go get it. Mess with somebody else.
Yo.
Yes, it's package for
I don't have a package.
Get out of here! Get out!
You want to say you didn't get the food on the apple? How about you get out here and say it to my face then? This is my job that you're playing with. $30 in food. Costs money. Your cake has arrived. Bend over and touch your toes and say, please give me the tip for large tip. Please give me the tip. Please give me the tip. Please give me the tip. Are you serious, bro? Grow up. You can find somebody else to deliver you your food.
Yeah, you still talking sweet about the Bears? I brought my big bro with me. Talk to him.
Big brother here, guess what? Get out here. Want to keep talking to my little brother like that, but you get out here and say it to my face. You know my team, you know my body. What's up with it then? Want to keep on talking? Big brother's here. What's up? Get outside. Get outside. Excuse me, is there any way I could borrow one of your phones inside? These people ran up on me and took all of my stuff. They jumped me. I'm out here by myself and I'm cold. Is there any way I could use one of your guys' phones? Nobody's home. Next house. Let's go.